Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about how do mosquito rackets work. Today we're going to be talking about how do mosquito rackets actually work. Well, just a simple diagram on how they work. So let's say one day you're just chilling in your room, okay? You're doing nothing, maybe you're just watching some video, right? And all of a sudden you hear a right? You turn around, you look around, and you see a pesky little mosquito, right? So you decide to pull out a mosquito racket and hit it. But have you ever wondered how does the racket actually create the enough electricity to actually kill the mosquito, and how does it do all of that? Well, there are a few components in the racket, okay, such as the outer case and plastic handles and stuff like that, so that way you yourself don't get electrocuted, right? Inside there is a USB charger because some modern mosquito rackets use USB charging, or some just have a rechargeable battery inside them. Inside is also a high voltage circuit, and the main thing is an electric grid. Okay, there are three grids, metallic grids on the racket itself, on the face of the racket. There are two outside grids, okay, which are just completely harmless, and in the middle is an electric grid. So when we click the on/kill button, okay, when we click it, the LED light will turn on, okay. Once it turns on, it flashes. That means the electric grid is on. So right now, it's activating the high voltage circuit. So how it fully works is that when we click the on button, okay, the internal circuit, okay, basically increases the battery voltage, okay, by a few thousand volts, okay. So basically, how does it raise the few thousand volts? Well, by using oscillators, okay, which basically creates AC, being alternate currents, and then it goes to the transformers, which basically increases the voltage, and then goes to capacitors and decodes to basically rectify and store the charge, okay. So basically, once it has the stored electricity, right, it shoots it out in and basically gives out the electricity in the electric grid, okay. So when that little pesky mosquito, okay, just flies by and you swat it, right? When the mosquito, okay, touches the electric grid and touches any one of the outside grids, okay, it completes the circuit, okay? And since it completes the circuit, the electricity has nowhere to go but goes through the mosquito to complete the circuit, okay? And it has enough voltage to the point where it's harmless to us, maybe just a little shock, but to the mosquito, it's either going to stun it or kill it instantly, okay? That's basically how a mosquito racket works, basically, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time.